Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Tony over at Q's. So in this video we're going to show you how to operate the emergency lowering functionality on a UTEM SkyTel boom. So we're going to set up a scenario where we might be working up in the air, the truck shuts off on us and we no longer have the PTO to work from, and how to lower yourself down on a UTEM SkyTel boom. So we're going to set up a scenario and we're going to kill the engine power. So now the truck is off, and to lower yourself down and maneuver the boom, there's a toggle switch right here that says emergency lowering. So you're gonna hit that to the side. It's easier with two hands, and then you can, at the same time, while pressing the toggle switch to the left, you can utilize the other toggle switches to maneuver yourself in or out, rotate, or go up and down with the boom. So all you need to do is hold the toggle switch in for the emergency power and go up or go down like this. And you can also rotate or go in and out by using this toggle switch here. So that's all there really is to it. We kind of wanted to make this video to help you guys out in case you're stuck up in the air and you don't know what to do. You might have your cell phone in your pocket and need to get yourself out of harm's way. But if you happen to have one of these booms, this is how you would utilize the emergency power. Granted that it's working on your truck. We test them all before they go out. And hope you guys like the video.